most of the people, when they shut down their computer, what they essentially do is they open the start menu, click on power, click on shutdown, and the screen turns off. And what people essentially do is people turn off their power supply as soon as they see that the screen has been powered off. Now let me power on the PC once again. Okay, so let it turn on. So yep, it's powered on. So basically what happens is Windows 10 and probably Windows 11 have this feature known as fast startup. I'll explain it to you in a moment. As you're able to see, the PC is actually taking some time to boot right now. But the shutdown technique that I was going to tell you was that just wait a minute. So basically the shutdown technique that I was going to tell you was that instead of switching off the power right away, you should click on shutdown, but then wait for the system to actually completely power off. You can clearly see it from the power light of your system, and once it's completely powered off, the power light will go off like this, and then you are actually safe to turn off the power supply. Now what this essentially does is that when I power on the system once again, when I power on the system once again, you just notice the boot time of the system. Yep, it's turning on. As you can see, it's now booting up much faster than before. So basically the point that I want to tell you is that even though screen turns off pretty quickly in Windows 10 and Windows 11 when you shut down, you basically have to let it shut down completely, and you can observe when it is completely shut down by looking at the power light of your system. And basically what that does is it allows the feature of Windows 10 known as fast startup to do its thing, and it basically prepares your system for the next startup just while it's shutting down the current session. This way your PC boots faster when you let it shut down completely. So okay, then that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. So thank you for watching and goodbye.